Hey everyone, welcome back to my garden. We're getting fantastic rain. We're having an actual monsoon season this year instead of the dry, non-existent monsoon season we had last year, and even the year before really. So it's really nice to see. The problem is my garden's drowning. So overall it's looking pretty good. I've got lots of stuff coming up. My watermelons are going insane. But I've got this water building up here. It's 2 or 3 inches deep, and my poor moringa tree is drowning. I hope it survives this. Maybe it'll love it, maybe it won't. I guess we shall see. Tried to dig a trench out, and it's the first issue I realized with having this wall done. I had asked for a drainage block to be put in under at the bottom of my wall to say. But when this wall was built, I was in Afghanistan, and he was long done by the time I came home. And it didn't occur to me that the drainage block had not been put in until now. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do. But even if the drainage block was there, if you follow the grade of this, I'm not really sure it's going to make much of a difference, because the grade's pretty darn flat all the way out to the yard, or sorry, all the way out to the street from the yard. And I'm not really sure it'll even drain, even if I dug that all out and ran it down here. I think it's just going to pool up down here in this low area. To be honest, because I don't think the grade is much different from down here than it is back there. So it's maybe one of those things I have to live with. I mean, there is a gap under the gate, and if it rises more than maybe a couple more inches, it will start draining under the gate. I just don't know how it's going to pool after that. So I will keep you up to date. I will show you more video if it gets worse. We're expecting more rain this weekend. We're already having flash flood warnings. Unfortunately, this is when some people die because they try to cross those flooded roads and stuff and get swept away. But we'll pray that that doesn't happen to anybody. But here we go, our first big monsoon. It's a good shakeout for the garden. Regardless, we will persevere and press on, and this garden will continue to flourish, Lord willing. And this is how we learn. So thanks for joining me, and if you have any suggestions, please give me comments. Talk to you later.